The Research and Education Foundation really does want to think about research across the member boards, ways in which we can learn from each other and reinforce each mission, but all in service of creating a culture of research in the certification community. The reason we want to foster independent research on board certification is so that we improve the transparency around us. Research is about understanding the phenomenon of physician expertise. You have to go in with a sense of curiosity and a sense of discovery. If research is not independent, you end up with biased research. It's research that public may not find credible, and certainly our diplomates may not find credible. And so that we're committed to being transparent about our research. We launched our Research and Education Foundation Grants Program. And on our website, you can read about the exciting projects. They're closely examining and trying to understand the ways in which our certification processes can promote excellence in clinical care. They range from artificial intelligence projects to projects looking at the gender and race and ethnic diversity of our boards in carrying out the certification examinations, and through to large data set assessments of the degree to which certification can be a positive factor for patient safety and the quality of our care. Each of these projects will result in publications, which will go out to the community, but also at the end of the project, they'll come back to the ABMS conference and present their findings to the community. And our hope is that whatever they find, they'll promote and deepen our understanding of our structures, of our processes, and they'll provoke new questions that'll allow us to incrementally advance the science. Research and pursuing research is a social good just in the pursuit. And so that even if you carry out a research project that ends up showing that the way you do things now is fine, I think for having done the effort and for examining your processes, we will be sharper, we will be better, we will be open to when the improvement does come. And so I'm thrilled to be at ABMS and in our Research and Education Foundation unit to, in essence, encourage a research attitude, and I look forward to promoting that.